Some cars are just machines, and then there are legends. This is the 1968 Dodge Charger. A masterpiece of muscle, design, and power. Today, we take a deep dive into one of the most iconic American muscle cars of all time, right here in this showroom. From Hollywood car chases to drag strips, the 68 Charger has left an unforgettable mark. But what makes it so special? Let's find out. Take a look at these lines. The 1968 Charger introduced a brand new design, longer, sleeker, and more aggressive. That fastback roofline, the sculpted body, and those hidden headlights give it an unmatched road presence. Dodge perfected the muscle car look with this design. The hidden headlamps, the bold front grille, and the full-width taillights made it instantly recognizable, and those rear haunches. Pure muscle. Sitting low and wide, the Charger looks like it's ready to pounce even at a standstill, but looks aren't everything. What's under the hood is what truly makes the Charger a beast. This showroom model is equipped with the legendary 426 HEMI V8, a powerhouse producing 425 horsepower. It wasn't just fast, it was a menace on the streets and the track. The HEMI wasn't the only option. Buyers could also get the 440 Magnum V8, delivering a brutal 375 horsepower. No matter which engine you picked, the Charger was built for raw performance. This was more than just an engine, it was the heart of a true muscle car. Step inside, and you'll find a perfect balance of performance and comfort. The 1968 Charger wasn't just about power, it was also about style. The cockpit was driver-focused. Everything was within reach, the four-spoke steering wheel, the rally-style gauges, and that unmistakable T-handle shifter. This wasn't just a car, it was an experience, and let's not forget the comfort. The Charger offered a luxurious yet sporty feel, making it just as enjoyable for cruising as it was for racing. The Charger didn't just dominate the streets, it became a legend in pop culture. From Hollywood car chases to high-speed pursuits, the 68 Charger cemented itself as one of the most famous muscle cars in history. Even today, it's one of the most sought-after classic muscle cars, with collectors willing to pay a premium for well-preserved models like this one. The 1968 Dodge Charger isn't just a car, it's an icon. A symbol of raw power, aggressive design, and unfiltered American muscle. Over 50 years later, it still turns heads and steals hearts. That is the magic of the Dodge Charger.